Kids, now we are draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring and draw the shape of hexagon. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we draw the shape of hexagon, and the next one is circle. The shape of circle. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Now we draw the shape of pentagon, and the next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is heart. The shape of heart. Now we draw the shape of heart, and the last one is star. The shape of star. And now we are coloring to the shape. First we are using and mixing the color of blue. Kids, now we are using blue color and coloring the shape of hexagon. Subscribe to our channel. Kid, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. We are again using blue color. The shape of circle. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is pentagon, and now we are using the color of red. Now we are mixing and using the color of red. Kids, the next one is triangle. Shape of triangle. We are again using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is heart, the shape of heart. Kids, now we are using the color of yellow. Now we are mixing and using the color of yellow. The last one is star. We are again using the color of yellow. The shape of star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring and draw 2D shapes. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, first we are coloring the shape of star. And the next one is pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using blue color. And the next one is square. Kids, now we are using yellow color. The color of yellow. Now we are mixing and using the color of yellow. The next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. Kids, the next one is circle. Now we are using black color. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is trapezoid. Kids, now we are coloring the shape of trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.